What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Kim Koo. We are at the Citadel Outlet out in Commerce, California. This is one of the craziest outlet areas in LA, and we're gonna hit up the Nike Outlet. Not a huge fan of this outlet, just because it's like crazy packed. But hopefully we can find some good returns. The outlets with that do tend to be a lot more packed do have usually have more returns and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully we can find a good return and get 20 or 30% off, whatever the amount is, and hopefully we can score some deals. Do the pick of the week. That is the pick of the week. $129 for some vapor bags. I wonder if that's a part of the 20% off. I wonder if that's part of the 20% off. That's interesting. Look at this. So it's always packed here. So I'm not a fan of this one. It's always packed, but check out the deals. So in the size 10s, they do have 20% off. Look. Another set, man. I just saw these. But the last one I went to $100. LeBron 14s, mag colorway. Not bad. What is this? I got some foam. Air Force One foam posit cuffs. $90. 20% off. Some funky looking, super colorful 97s. And some Epic React Fly Knits. $130. 30% off. They don't really have much else. I'm looking at the size 10s and nothing worth even thinking about copping, to be really honest. Nothing much. This is the only size 10 right here, from right there to right there. So check out the 10.5s. Look at some Vapor Max here. $129. Size 10s. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. Dude, this is really dry here. Not much. What are these? 270 edge? 160? Yeah, what are these? Some Moon Racers. I got these at home. $70. 79. 20% off. Really not much. We're in this. Well, I don't know what size here. 7.5. I don't know. They're all mixed up. Like there's really not much organization here. But look, some R4s, some Shox R4s. Going for retail. But you do get 20% off. You get 20% off. Like these size 7.5. Got some Super Bronze 16s. Retail 20% off though. That's about it on these smaller sizes. So Air Max 217, 2017. So I got 2017s. That's about it. Nothing in the small sizes. Are they the Zoom Fly Knits? A few different colors, 3 different colorways. And we got these are new, the Be Truth. Surprised to see these out here, but I believe they're selling for retail. $100. $100 for these. $100 for those, and then usually 140? Oh, 190. Got the Be True slides. Oh, interesting. Not bad. This is like the Jordan section. This is Air Force Max, but the rest of these are lift off. Got the 312s, some more 312s, and a bunch of different colors. That's the entire Jordan section right there. Got the Pro Tros, $100. So some of the ADs, some of the fly traps. Nothing really good. Nothing super exciting, to be really honest. Oh, these are kind of cool. Cortez with some flowers on it or something. For retail, $75. Some Hilachis. And some, what the hell these are called? They look like some wannabe dunks, wannabe Air Jordan 1s. The Ebronons? Another colorway, the Ebronon. Some in the jersey section. This is not bad. Look at this. I already got a Kobe white one though. So Kobe 8 first of all, and 150 and a 50% off. That's not bad. 75 bucks for an authentic jersey. Authentic jersey. Got that authentic tag on there. Damn. Not bad. 75 bucks. I also got it in yellow. The yellow 24, the black 8. Legit running section. Look at this. Some Epic React Flyknit. 90. Some more Reacts. Okay. I don't know what those are. But yeah, this is a deal right here. Look, Legend React, 50 bucks. Legend React, super comfortable. I already got a React 2 weeks ago, so I can't really get any more running shoes. I don't really want any more running shoes. Nothing huge here. I'm so tired of them having the better shoes for kids. Look at this. 312s, whatever. Not bad. Okay. Harry 5's not bad. Look, the NASA's. Oh, they're only a few dollars below retail though, to be honest. But look at this. All the sizes, all the way from 4 to 7 for the younger kids. I guess it's the little kids, not the big kids. They got the LeBron 16 Buzz Lightyears. The Buzz Lightyears right there. They got the Air Force One utilities. Those are kind of cool. These are the sheepskin. They feel like sheepskin or carpet material. Air Force One. Kids. These are just Chlorophyll. So Chlorophyll's not too interesting. Soldiers, 70 bucks for soldiers. Not bad. Plus 20% off. Look at this in the women's section. What is this? Oh, this is super soft. What is that? Super soft. Not bad. 129. What was that? Natural olive. Oh, look at these tiny shoes.
This is the tiniest shoes and the tiniest box I've ever seen.
So no crazy deals today. Time to smash out. Really nothing here. Oh, good. It is 2 stories. So this area is 2 stories. Pretty big store, but didn't really find anything. So we're gonna have to smash out of here.